How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today we are... Today we're working on the Supra, as you can see. And so I'm up here in Alamogordo at Richard's place. And last night, this thing made it fine. It cruised no problem, 80 miles here. Cruise control works, everything's good. And then this morning I go to start it and it doesn't start. So now we're dealing with that whole fiasco. The starter's freaking fine. We just took it to AutoZone. What's up, Richard? Yeah, calm down there, big guy. So yeah, we're thinking it might have been one of these wires right up here. I don't remember which one.
It was this one.
Do you remember which one they go to? Is that one right there? Okay.
Yeah, these ones, they're color matched.
Sick.
Connect in there, and then this one connects into that connector right there.
So yeah, we're thinking it was the wires because I don't know, maybe they just like jiggled loose or something. Sig. Stay. Hey, stay. Alright, so the starter's in, putting the last bolt in, and then hope it cranks. Right, Richard? No? Okay.
Lots of hope.
Lots of hope, you're right. Alrighty, so it's been like 4 hours since the last film, or since I last filmed. But we found out what the problem was, why it wouldn't start. So it wasn't the starter, it wasn't the battery, it wasn't the connection, it wasn't the anything. It wasn't the anything. It was the alarm system. Which is stupid. Because we did all that work, we had to pull all that apart, and we pulled this apart, checked the ECU, and jacked it up, ripped the starter out, and wasted our entire day. We were out here at like 9 a.m. and now it's almost 6:30. So yeah, if you have a Mark III and it doesn't start, you gotta manually lock. You have to have the hood closed, manually lock both doors and the hatch, and then unlock one of the doors from with the key, and then wait like 15-20 seconds. Then it should start, because now it starts fine. So yeah, that's lit. Richard, how do you feel about it? Alrighty, so the car runs fine. Now I'm going to do the brakes and the brake rotors, so I got to pull those off. We went for a little test drive. Richard, how was it? Cherry. Lit sauce. And so yeah, I'm going to do the pads and rotors all the way around on the car, and then he's doing LS stuff. Richard, exactly what are you doing here?
So 5.3 iron block out of the truck, just like mine. This one's been built by a previous owner. It's got a slight, like really shitty cam in it. Gotta take that out, put a melting stage 2 in it. New lifters, all kinds of stuff like that. We're gonna repaint it blue. Did a real shitty paint job on it. New valve seals, new lifters. What else are we getting? We're gonna lap the valves, get those all set up. Might do a trunking kit on the valves, rocker arms, we'll see. But just needs a lot of work, so start pulling shit off it right now. Pull out the lifters and shit. We're gonna check all the main cap bearings. Then we gotta pull out the harmonic balancer, but yeah.
Are you gonna get into the valley, or have you already been in there?
No, I haven't been in there yet.
You going to?
Yeah.
I'm kind of curious as to how that looks.
Well, balls in, boy, I tell you what.
That was great right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to this, get all that going here. Just throwing stuff around the shop, you know how it goes.
Tub of shit.
That's me, a whole tub of it. Got heads cooking over there on the jet burner, and we're just having a good time, isn't that right, Richard? I will see you guys in a bit. So Richard's over here doing LS work, and I just want you to understand this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see.
The best way to check these hubs is with a tire on.
Yeah, no, they feel fine with the tire on. And he's doing head stuff.
Still grinding it.
I'm not too worried. I don't hear anything when I'm driving.
Yeah, if you're not hearing anything like driving, yeah, they feel tight. So, not really worried.
So yeah, I got this one off.
Cut it off!
I got this one off. You know, they're brakes. They're real easy. Everyone's done brakes. And if you haven't, you should probably do the brakes on your car. Yeah, it's not even that bad. There's a couple little heat spots you can see there, but as far as there's no lip at all, really. These seem to be still pretty new, but I already have new ones, so I'm putting them on. And you know, full send, Richard. Full send. The back ones.
Just gonna send it.
The back ones aren't as good as the front ones. I think the front ones were replaced and they never replaced the back ones. Especially this one, you can see right here. This one, well, you can't see because camera stuff, but this one you can feel the lip right there. There's a good lip on this one. And if you're wondering what that is, that's aluminum cleaner. It's no big deal. I was trying to clean the wheels, which I might do because they're all dirty and gross. It's all brake dust right there. Oh yeah. That is bad. That is no bueno, Richard. No bueno. So yeah, Richard's gonna open up a head cleaning business. This is all he's gonna do. Hit him up. Instagram will be in the thingy. So we're still out here working, and you know, just doing the brakes. I wanted to show you this one because and it's easy. I think it's easy. It should be easy for you. Everyone's done brakes. If you haven't, you should probably do some brakes. I already said that, but you know, gotta repeat it because it's important. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to do this one. This is the last one I gotta take off. I've already taken off all the other pads and rotors, so this is the last one I gotta take off right here. And I'll just walk you through it step by step. So this one right there. You see it right there. There's that one, and then there's one down there at the bottom. You can see it right there. And then this one right here, this one closer, is the one that takes off the actual that loosens this thing, which pivots right here, so that flaps up and then you can get your pads out. So yeah, super easy, just those three. Oh, bummer. Is this one right here. There's these two holes, that one and that one. That one's just like a breather. It's just a rubber thing. I already pulled it out to look at it. But those are threaded, so you can kind of see in there. And when it's stuck, it's all rusted on there. You take this thing right here and you just screw it in there and pop that thing right off. And that's like all cars, not just Toyota. So I was talking about how easy it is to get these brake pads off, and I'm going to show you, or these rotors off in a minute. I was going to show you, but I was having a hard time, as you just saw, and couldn't get it off. And you know, I was sitting here with the mallet right there, and just pounding away on different angles, and you know, not coming off. And look at that, there's a good gap. And you know what I realized? Richard, what did I realize? What am I? An idiot. That's right, because the freaking parking brake is on. My goodness, F&A, I bet it'll fall right off now. Oh, yep, look at that, real easy. Oh my goodness, I'm so stupid. There's two little ones here. They just go together. Those are important. You want to keep those so. Make sure you snap those off and then snap them on your new one here. Because if you don't, then it's gonna break, and it's not good if it breaks. So then, boom, they're done. Then you take these little things, whatever they are, I don't know, these things, and you just snap them back in there. Where they go? Boom, just like that. The pads are fine. All that's fine. But see the piston? It's sticking out. Right there, it can go in a bit. So what you do is you get a C-clamp and you just push together. Right now it's about it's like 12, I think. Actually, I'm genuinely curious now, so I'm gonna figure it out.
I'm gonna figure it out all by myself. I'll tell you right now. I'm gonna get my cellular device out right here. I'm gonna get it. Just get it.
Whoa! I was so close. I don't know what I said, but look at that. Boom. It's 0001. That's 12:01 is what time that is. In case you don't know. Yup. So I'm gonna keep thrashing. I got 3 more breaks to do. It takes a while to film. Well, not take a while, but it slows the process down. So I'm just gonna bust out all the other ones real quick. Just bust them quick, and then and you'll see when she's all done. That might be tomorrow morning. Who knows? I haven't all of tomorrow here. So there's a couple of things I want to get done. So you'll see all that, and yeah. So I'll show you when the car's all done. Alrighty, so I got all the brakes and everything done. The wheels are back on the car now. I gotta torque them all down because they're not torqued yet to spec, and I just rubbed grease in my face. I bet. Whatever. Anyways, it's super freaking late. I'll tell you what time it is. I'm dead tired. 1:32. You can see right there. Boom. That's late. And I found a cat too. So that's cool. I just opened the door and he walked in. So I was like, all right, man, whatever. You can chill with me. I don't even know if it's a he, but he. It might be a she, but he just walked on in here. So I was like, all right, dude, whatever. Anyways, that's it for this one. I'm donezo. So I'm gonna torque those down and I'm going to bed. So I will see you tomorrow. And deuces, homie. I'll later. Whatever, I don't know. Bye-bye.
Like Vegas, you sit down on a park bench and boom! Herpes. What happens in Vegas does not stay in Vegas. Sometimes it comes back with you in an STD.
Gross, don't go to Vegas, is what he's saying. Oh! Got him!